Good morning. I'm Rachel Knutton. I am the CEO of Alluvia Studio, and we are a Medtech marketing agency. And I just want to share my few minutes to talk to you about saving time and money with someone who understands your business. And I do have a little bit of a story to tell you about this. It's a house plan. It's a quite extravagant house plan. And the 3D model is a beautiful house that's been designed. It's kind of a dream set in the rolling hills of Tennessee. And here's the house so far today. It's making its way, it's becoming a reality. But the reason I'm sharing this is my house. This house sits at the top of the hill where we live. We live in another house, and we've been working on it. My husband and I have. And when we started out on this, we thought, we're very qualified to take on this project together. This is my very handsome husband, Scott. He is a 21-year Navy veteran who is a nuclear mechanic, chief engineer on ships, so he knows how to make things work and make them run, and he has a master's degree in mechanical engineering. I don't like to talk about myself, but I have a design agency. We know how to make things beautiful. We know how to put stories together. I'm a fairly accomplished executive, and I have an MBA from Vanderbilt University. So we think we're pretty smart, capable people, and we could definitely run the building of this house together. So what could possibly go wrong? And in the interim, we would be fortunate because we would also save time and save money by doing it ourselves. Well, here we are, 5 years later, 3 times over budget, and we still don't live in the house. Why? Well, my capable husband doesn't have the suppliers, the contractors, doesn't really know about scheduling a house build. And even though I've got a lot going on, my business has taken off in the last 5 years, thankfully. I came home with decision fatigue every single day. I don't want to pick out tile. I don't know where the lights should go. I'll know where they should go when I live in the house. I don't know where they should go now. I'm not an interior designer. And I have a family. I have a daughter to raise and many things going on. So there are also a few other costs that we've experienced in our quest to do it ourselves. These are my parents, wonderful parents, waiting to move in the house that we live in now. My dad hopes we move in there before he passes, is what he says. There's my daughter when we started, and she's now almost a woman. And here's the resort that I stayed at with Rose in Indonesia because my husband couldn't come because he's working on the house. So my question to you is, when is the right time to call an expert? And as a marketing company, of course, I'm talking about marketing and branding. You know, as we know, business-to-business decisions are 30% the science and the data that you have, but there are 70% emotional decisions. How you tell your story, how you present, what your messaging is, and how people experience you. We know that people still make design decisions with their heart. Your brand equity is something that grows over time. The investment in your brand is something that grows the earlier you start. We a lot think of marketing as an end game when we're ready to commercialize, but you should really be thinking about your brand now while you're pitching, fundraising, attracting partners, raising your valuation, maybe selling, being acquired, or maybe you're commercializing. Let's start now. I always say with marketing, like my house, you can spend time and money now and get a higher return, or you can pay later and get to where we are today, still not in our house. So all that being said, you know, we are a Medtech focused agency. We do 100% Medtech. We provide white glove service, which means we're just there to work with you and what your needs are. We offer creative consulting to meet your goals, and we try to do everything with excellence so that we don't waste your time and money, and you can save your time and energy and resources doing what you do best. This is the range of services that we provide. We often start with pitch decks, building your brand foundation, and then we do full-on marketing support for really large companies like Intuitive Surgical and Edwards Life Sciences. Maybe some of you will be in that seat someday, and we can work with you then as well. So we'd love to share more information about you. We'd love to help you focus on your business, and we will help you focus on your story. So I'd love to talk to you more about that later.